Hey Jeremy, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. I wanted to thank you for having us out here at your property. And one thing that we wanted to briefly do is kind of reintroduce ourselves as a home service company. We've kind of morphed and changed into a different company than you may have remembered us back then when we were at your home. We now specialize in exterior home maintenance, roof rejuvenation, and services like that. So. Uh, of course, when you have us come out to do your home, washing services, you're going to be super happy with our gentle detergent wash process that allows us to remove all the mold, mildew, dirt, spider webs, and bug guts off your house. Whichever package best meets your needs in your proposal, don't hesitate to go ahead and pick that package. But before I came out to your house, I started doing a little bit of research about your neighborhood. Looks like the homes were built in around 2003. So around the 10 to 15 year mark, most homeowners start to struggle with some other aspects of their home, like their asphalt shingles, that they didn't know that there was a solution to the problem that they're facing. So bear with me here. I just wanted to briefly kind of show you a little bit about what's going on with your neighbors' homes here, if I can figure out Google Earth here. But let's see here. So essentially, here we go. If we look at your neighbors' houses here, behind your house, you can see that the black streaking on their asphalt shingles. And, the reason why this is probably a newer roof. Here's your house here. A lot of shingle manufacturers, unfortunately, in the last 30 years have started to change their mix or formula when they make the asphalt shingles. They're adding crushed limestone into the shingles, which ultimately prematurely doesn't allow the shingles to last as long as they claim. The limestone granules in the shingles start to dry out. The granules will fall off the shingles. The UV rays bake out the shingles in the sun. And this can shorten the lifespan of your roof, and you could be facing costly repairs or even a life-disrupting roof replacement sooner than you and your family were hoping to invest in. So, as you can see, Multi-Man Services, this is our home maintenance company. We specialize in exterior home restoration, and we also started adding a roof tune-up and rejuvenation service. So I'd like to show you a brief video about that, and we can bear with me here. All right, here's the video I wanted you to see. Hope you enjoy it. This kind of talks a little bit about how you can further extend the life of your roof and prevent you from having to do a costly repair.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Roof Maxx, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With Roof Maxx, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. Roof Maxx's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Roof Maxx's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with Roof Maxx's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by Roof Maxx had absolutely no damage.
So a Roof Maxx roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable.
So what'd you think? Hope you thought that was useful. So at your home here, there's a lot of ways that we can go about rejuvenating and extending the life of your property. Obviously, by getting the siding and organics washed at your home and getting this washed safely with our exterior home washing process. So check out your proposal. Pick the package that best meets your needs. I wanted to walk you through this briefly here if I haven't already. To add any services after you check out these bundles here, obviously the more services you have us do, the best value you get. And you can see that when you add the services, you can get a little bit of a discount or to the best value for your service. So uh, please let me know down below the timing of everything and how you'd like to proceed. Whichever you choose, just the house washing, or if you feel like it's a good value for you and your home to invest now in preventative maintenance, which is the new industry standard now for asphalt shingles. I know you're going to make a great decision. Ultimately, you're a smart man. I can't tell you what to do, and look forward to working with you, whichever you choose. Take care.